Welcome back, guys. We have another unboxing video for you today. Not a dog collar, but I think this could be possibly something else that could be used for your dog. So I'm going to open it up. I'm not 100% sure. I haven't even opened this box up yet, but it is the same stop box from the company. Let's get it open and let's see what it is. I guess you're going to find out with me. It is exactly what I thought it was. So here, guys, we have the CENGCEN pet camera. Right here, this is a nice pet camera. It is the pet treat camera. It also includes the power adapter with a 6.5-foot cord, quick start guide, a wall hook, and shading stickers. Not sure what you need shading stickers for. Some of the requirements on this are a Wi-Fi connection, iPhone 6 or an iOS 10.2 phone, Android 4.2 or later, power supply for the power adapter. I've heard good things about this. This is something that, if you've seen in previous videos with our dog, it's just something that while we're at work, we can check on our dog while she's hanging out at home. So, and this is also something we can talk to her, see her, and even send her a treat if she's doing pretty good during the day. Through here. So let's open up the box and let's see what's in here. Kind of something that we've always wanted to try. The box is actually pretty well packaged up. Some really nice packing material. I love when companies take pride in their stuff and actually package it nicely just to protect it while it's on its way. So we have the camera, the quick start guide.
How do you send?
Load bearing, that might be for the wall. And that might be for the wall again. So there it is. Then we got some nice packing material. This is going to be perfect for me to ship something in. So these look like the wall brackets for it. I thought it got dark here all of a sudden. But I'm not sure if we're going to mount this to the wall or not. But there's 7 kilogram load bearing. The user guide. Right here it has infrared night vision light. The lens, the receiving, the microphone, snack ejection port, the broadcast hole. So I think it's pretty cool. Definitely pretty neat. Actually, the one thing, I'm not 100% sure, but the one thing I do not see is the power supply. Which could be interesting. Oh, there we go. So guys, when you open this up and you're wondering, hey, they forgot my power supply, you pop off the bottom and the power supply is actually sitting right inside. Now, I think this is where the treats possibly go. Not 100% sure. Yep, I think that's where the treats go. I think so. There's the power supply. Pretty cool thing. It's actually a little bit bigger than I was expecting it to be. Probably almost a foot tall, but I'm guessing it is not wireless, which is a downfall for me. I wish it was kind of wireless. I wish you didn't have to I wish it just had a battery that you can charge instead of having to be plugged in. But we'll get over that. So we're going to give this a shot. We're going to charge it up, plug it in, get it all set up on our phone, and actually find some treats that are going to work, because that is the one thing that I read about, that you have to find some small enough treats for this thing to work, and it might even say in the book. And if I find it, I'll definitely let you know. Yeah, so let's get this thing set up and see how it works. Okay, so we are getting ready to try to set up this camera / dog treat thrower. Dog's ready right here. I don't know, now she's actually trying to eat some Kool-Aid Cool Burst. Hey, stop it. Okay, we have the master trying to read the instructions.
All right, I'm just gonna.
Oh, now the dog's eating something else. So here we go.
Take out the products from the package. Then open the silicone cover to take out the power adapter. I've completed that step. I took out the power adapter. Insert the round head of the power cord into the power port at the indication on the back of the device.
Right there. Perfect. Good job.
And then put the power cord into a socket. When the device light is on, the device is powered on successfully.
Is it powered on successfully?
I do not see a power light.
Me neither. Is there a button somewhere? There it is.
Oh, there it is.
Right on the side. It looks like a... Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
It's really loud.
It doesn't mention anything about pressing that. Oh. Okay. At this time, the treat camera will stay in the low light mode for about 30 seconds. After the system is started, the indicator light will change to the single flash mode, which means the device is not connected to the network. And then the device will prompt ready to be connected. I don't quite get that step, but that's okay. After the app is downloaded, so we need to download an app.
Okay, let me go get your phone. Hold on 1 second. Okay, here was your phone.
Thank you.
What was that look?
Second?
Yeah, I'll get you a second.
Maybe.
Da 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 da. What are you doing? Hey, 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 hey! Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say my name's Anna, and my mama thinks I'm special. Huh? Does your mom think you're special? Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Oh. That feels good, doesn't it?
Your legs are split.
That feels good, doesn't it? Oh. Okay. Back at
Okay,
it.
so I downloaded the app.
Good job.
Okay. So now, I
Scoot.
have to, looks like, create an account.
Okay, we're not going to show that. So she's going to create the account. They don't really give you too long of a cord, which is okay. We're probably going to end up moving this
Yeah, this is just us trying.
over to here
It says
somewhere.
account not registered. Create an account.
Over here somewhere.
Username.
I think so. This is kind of our bar area. You guys you're going to get to see this. Well, we're hoping to set this treat thing up over here somewhere so that it shoots a treat into here while we're at work. That's our goal. So but we're going to set it up here now just to see if we can get it to work. Okay, she is still trying to set this up.
It says something about a verification code.
Did it go to your email?
I haven't even done anything with my email yet. Timer. But I don't know what the verification code is. Okay. It still wants me to enter a verification code.
Maybe you click on it.
Click here.
Yeah.
Verification code. Sent. Sent where?
They know your verification code, or they know your email because you just entered it.
But I didn't I was creating the account.
Sorry guys, also, our garage is a mess right now. We're going through a transition phase.
Okay. Allow CENGCEN, or whatever this
Yep.
brand is, access to photos,
Yep.
videos, music.
Correct.
Allow. Okay. So now it says to click on add a new device, and a picture of the device
Yep.
shows up. So I'm going to select that as the equipment. Allow access to this device
While using this app.
While using the app.
It's a pretty cool unit here. Dog treats will go in here. The camera's here. Oops, sorry. And this is where the dog treats get shot out at. Pretty cool. Pretty cool thing, to be honest with you.
Okay, so it says that I should be getting a QR code.
Right there.
It needs to be scanned by the camera on the device. I heard the tone. Connecting.
Pretty wild. And I think you have to do this every time you unplug this thing.
Okay.
Well, I'm not 100% sure.
It'll be, I think, an easier process because I did all the initial
Maybe.
account creation.
And honestly, once you add the device, if the device is already added, yeah, I'm not sure. It's taking a little bit of time to connect. So guys, we did spend way too much time trying to get this thing to connect, but we finally were able to. Well, once we were able to, the camera died. So we did try it out. The one issue we have with this is our dog gets freaked out whenever the treats get shot at her. This thing does fire them pretty good. It fires them at a good distance. And I'm not sure we're going to use the treat portion of this. Now, we will definitely use the camera portion of it because we can see the dog during the day and make sure everything's okay. And it's a kind of an extra security feature for our house. So we have another camera in the garage. That way, yeah, if the dog's acting up or something goes on, we can actually see the dog most of the time just sleeping. So with that being said, we would recommend this. This is definitely something that's pretty cool. It's not too big. The one other downfall that I mentioned previously in this video was every time you move it, you do have to kind of re-register it. It doesn't take as long as the first time, but this is kind of a pain. I really wish they would come out with just a wireless device where you just have to charge a battery, kind of like some other devices that you might have around your house. It might make it a lot easier, because then you can place it to exactly where you want it. You don't have to worry about an outlet being super close. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested in this product, please go check the link down below in the description. It'll take you over to Amazon, where you can purchase it and have it within a few days. So until next time, guys, have a great day, and we'll see you later. Bye.